Hello, students. So I know you're all wondering, hey, is there any way you can manage my account and make my account grow? And the answer to that is yes. I do have a service where you pay a one-time fee and I manage your account for you. I have my VAs fulfill all the orders for you. We do products for you. Everything is done for you. We get you tax exempt, so you don't have to pay taxes on Walmart. We pretty much do everything. It's a one-time fee, and all you have to do is cover your sales when they come in and also and pitch in on the VA service, which I paid most of anyway. So, and that's it. So if you're interested, you can message me on Instagram or Facebook privately. Be like, hey, I'm interested in getting this done. How much it's going to cost? We'll talk numbers. And again, there's only a one-time fee, and I do it for life. So once your account gets to 100 grand, that's all your money when it comes in. We get everything set up for you. Everything's gonna be just keep going, keep going, keep going, and then get your sales, and then go from there. And if you have somebody that's interested, you can let me know, and I'll pay you a referral fee for that. Whatever you need to do, just let me know. So again, I know a lot of you are busy with your everyday life and don't have time to do product research and don't have time to do all this other stuff. So I get it. So if that's the case for you and you want somebody to do everything for you, I have my VAs do everything for you. Pretty much it's going to be a made for you Amazon store. The sales are by automatic. Everything is automatic, totally automated. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to talk to me if you don't want to. Just collect your check at the end of the month. So with that being said, see you later. Bye.